Action. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, let me just pop this away. Somebody actually bought me one of them. Thought it was pretty hilarious, really. We're on episode 3 now, and I have been posting it everywhere on my Instagram page. Yes, I've created an Instagram page, so do pop over there and give us a little follow. It's cooking_with_Cal. I'm sure if you type in cooking with Cal, it should come up on your search. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that button. Don't forget to hit the bell button as well, and that will notify you every time I upload a new video. You are using the video to cook in the kitchen with, press pause, copy the ingredients, press play, and away you go again. So you got all these beautiful fresh ingredients, and that's what we want. Fresh ingredients makes the dish taste pucker. The tasting bit, cooked to perfection, juicy, and that's exactly what you want. And as I said, when you take them out, leave a bit of oil in it because it helps all the flavours stick to the wing. And the next one, let's give it a go. The tandoori wing. Beautiful. That is amazing. Oh, it's so nice. I wish you could try it, but you can. When you're home, you got spare 20 minutes. That is something you really want to make. But the rugby's on now with Six Nations in the UK. So if you fancy making a nice quick little snack when you get your friends over, it's an amazing dish. You can make some celery sticks with it, some carrot sticks, some cucumber sticks, maybe a yogurt sauce. In the previous video I made spicy lamb chops and I made a really lovely yogurt sauce. So head over there, watch that video, and it'll go down really well with this. And here, we've got the mango ones. We've got the mango powder, we've got the curry powder, we've got the salt, we've got the tandoori powder, but I don't put too much tandoori powder because I don't want it really to be overpowering with the tandoori, because I want that mango to kick in. And the mango powder is very citrusy. With the lime, it's that extra bit of citrusy, and the chili, and just, oh, pucker. It's gotta be tried. gotta try these at home. Guys, you really gotta try these dishes at home. It takes you about 20 minutes to make. Add your own flavour, be adventurous. Add chilli, don't add chilli. Have a look in the cupboard, see what you got. Pop out to your local supermarket and you'll definitely find all the ingredients for these wings. Guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you very much for tuning in. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified of all my new dishes. Tune in Friday and I'm gonna bring you something else.